What's up guys, it's the Tech Bolt, and to my old subscribers,
You smart, you loyal, you're grateful. I appreciate that.
and to my new viewers or prospect subscribers, I also appreciate you guys, man. Welcome to the family. So you've already seen the thumbnail. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. Between Xiaomi and Pixel, which is better? Well, let's start from the Xiaomi. It's the Xiaomi Mi 10T 5G, and it was launched on the 30th of September 2020. It comes in a 6.6-inch display and a screen resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels. And at the front of the display, you get a Gorilla Glass 5, and also at the rear, Gorilla Glass 5 with an aluminium frame. The device weighs about 216 grams and offers a dual SIM, that's nano SIM, and dual standby with no SD card slot. Now, the storage comprises of 120 gigabytes of RAM and 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. 128 gigabytes of RAM and 6 or 8 gigabytes of RAM. Over to the cameras, it has a triple camera layout, and on the wide camera you get a 64 megapixels with 1.9 aperture, and on the ultra wide you get a 13 megapixel and 2.4 aperture and 5 megapixel macro lens, which is equipped with an LED flashlight, HDR and panorama. It will be able to shoot videos at 8K at 60 frames per second, 4K at both 30 and 60 frames per second, and the selfie camera gets a 20 megapixel 2.2 aperture, which will also feature HDR and can record at 1080p at 30 frames per second and 720p at 120 frames per second. Over to the sound, it comes with a stereo speaker setup and no headphone jack, with a USB 2.0 and a side-mounted fingerprint sensor. It's also equipped with a 5000 milliamps non-removable battery and 33 fast charger out of the box, and starts selling at $375 and about 155,000 naira in Nigeria. And guys, if you learned anything new from this video, why don't you support my channel by subscribing? It's a new channel. Please subscribe, like the video, and rate my video in the comment section so I can take corrections in case there's any place I'm not getting it right. Over to the Pixel. It's a Pixel 4a device launched on the 20th of August. It comes in a smaller display, that is 5.8 inches, and at the front of the display is protected by Gorilla Glass 3, and the rear display is protected with a glass frame, and the screen resolution is 1080 by 2340 pixels. This device is slightly lighter, and as it comes with a weight of 145 grams and offers a nano SIM and supports eSIM with no SD card slot. The storage, on the other hand, only comes in a 128 GB ROM and 6 gigabytes of RAM. Over to the camera, it's a single camera setup, and on the wide you get 1.7 aperture with an LED flash, pixel shift, auto HDR and panorama, and can also record 4K at 30 frames per second and 1080p at 30, 60 and 120 frames per second. Over to the sound, it has a stereo speaker setup also with a 3.5mm headphone jack and a rear mounted fingerprint scanner with a 3140 milliamps power non-removable battery, which also features USB 2.0 and also 18-watt fast charger out of the box, and starts selling at $499 and 280,000 naira in Nigeria. Okay guys, I'll leave it to you guys to pronounce the winner in the comment section. And I also made a review of the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra leaked and the iPhone 13 series, so you can check that out on any of the cards displayed. And we've reached the end of this video guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and rate my previous videos in the comments. Until then guys, I'll see you in my next video.